Hey guys, it's your girl Keri, and in my previous video I shared my fall patio makeover. If you hadn't seen that video, I'll leave the link in the description box below. And in this video, I'm going to share how to set up a quick Tablescape for outdoor entertaining as we transition from summer to fall. I've teamed up with Cashback to inform my viewers about Target's online cashback program. Cashback is a cashback website where consumers get to save money when shopping online by receiving a percentage of their purchases in the form of a cash rebate when you shop at any of the 4,000 participating stores. Signing up is quick and easy. First, you want to click the link in my description box below to arrive at the Cashback landing page. Check Sign Up and enter your email address and password. You will see the Account Overview tab after you log in. And when you check on the Earnings tab, you will need to authenticate your email to ensure that it is valid. To order, type in the store's name in the search box, click on the store, and you will be directed to the store's website. Shop online as you normally would. Target has a wonderful array of indoor and outdoor serving pieces. I will share with you later in the video what I purchased. After you finish shopping, check out and you will receive a message that your purchase was recorded. It's that easy. Once you spend $25 at Target or any of the other 4,000 participating stores, you will receive a $10 cashback signing bonus. So I wanted to share some of the items that I picked up from Target to set my little coffee table with some hors d'oeuvres and appetizers. So if we're sitting outside as a family or with friends or even alone, I'll show you how you can set that up inexpensively. And so I picked up this set of 4 rattan napkin rings, and it's by the Hearth and Hand brand, and I think that's the Joanna and Chip Gaines line for Target. So I have 4 of these. And then I also think about the seasons. How can I incorporate my dishware into various seasons? So I want to pick colors that can go transcend from summer to fall to winter to spring. So I thought these awesome tumblers would do the trick. They're really nice. This one right here is kind of like a green color that would work well for the summertime and the fall. And I already have a ton of blush colored items, so I thought these blush tumblers would work as well, and I can mix and match them because the green and the blush go well together. And then I picked up these melamine plates, and that will go great with this blush tumbler, and it will also go great with the green tumbler. And this will look great for the summertime or the springtime. And then I alternated with this really nice peacock themed melamine plate for the fall. And this again will also go well with this tumbler here. So I'm going to put together a little tray, kind of like a Tablescape, so you guys can see how you can entertain outdoors in a snap. And here's how I styled this beautiful little Tablescape for fall. I just took a tray that was in a contrasting brown and laid it on top of the table, and I decided to bring in those warm copper tones and jewel tones that are perfect for fall, and I wanted to mix and match the cups. So I took my Target cups, my Target tumblers, and then I also took these hammered metal copper cups and my hammered metal pitcher and put that all together. Then I took the rattan napkin rings and mixed them with my velvet Pier 1 napkins, and here are the melamine dishes, and then I paired it with the wood just to kind of give it that warm autumn fall look. And then I just set up a little cheese and fruit station. I have some crackers and some cheese here and a little bit of fig spread back there. This is actually some really good fig spread. And that's how I just incorporate the few items I bought from Target into an existing Tablescape ready for fall. Now I'm going to remix this and use the same pieces but share the other melamine dishes and give you a more bright, festive summer look. So here is the summer look, and I still just used basically everything that I already purchased from Target and put it with some other elements to make it look a little bit more bright and light. So now we have the pink plates, and I kept the same forks. We have the same beautiful napkin rings. Sorry about the sunlight. The sun keeps moving and messing up the quality of the video. But we have those napkin rings and a nice light blue napkin just folded and placed to the side of the tray. We have the same food that we had on the previous setup, but just kind of arranged different. The same flowers, and then we just have our drink, just some lemon water. That's what I had on hand, and our glasses. And instead of the copper glasses, I just brought in the blush glasses with the green glasses. And let me see if I can pull back. And that's how everything turned out. It's still just absolutely beautiful. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to click the link in the description box below to sign up for Top Cashback's cashback program. Again, it is free. There is no cost to you to sign up, but you can start getting those savings by shopping online at some of your favorite stores. And until next time, I'm going to keep calm and carry on. Bye guys.